Hey guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today just wanted to go over a new consignment. It's a 1966 Ford Mustang. It's our Sprint 200. It's got a beautiful body. It's got a clean title. It's had two owners. So the second owner has been in Idaho for a fairly long time. It looks like it was 15 years that the Idaho owner was here. And then before that, looks like it was Texas. So not really known for rust there. You won't see rust on the frame. It does have a beautiful frame. Everything looks great. There's been a lot of vehicles out here that we've sold that are older, some modified, and so it's always good to kind of go over what something needs. Scratches, little dings, any rust, super transparent, as there's a lot of customers that come in from out of state, so we try to reflect that in our videos as best we can. Usually we'll do virtual drives and things like that, and we'll do that today with this Sprint here. Again, it's a 1966. Looks like it's got 2,000 miles on the engine. It's got new suspension, fuel pump, new tires. Looks like there's a scratch on the front passenger, which we'll go over and we'll reflect that. Looks like the transmission was rebuilt as well. New U-joints, new driveline, new brakes, new sway bars, new radiator, new torque converter, rebuilt drums. They're upgraded to 10-inch. Tie rods are new, and then it's got an electric fan. And of course, as you'll see, it's got a polarized tint on there, which looks really, really nice. Tastefully done for sure. It's got keystone mags, new crank. So the current owner right now, like I said, has had it for 15 years, so a considerable amount of time. He's put a lot of work into it. So right now we're just going to go over kind of the body. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. All the doors, of course, open and close as they should. So imperfection that I can see right off the bat here would be a crack right here, as you can see. There's a crack right there. Just a little ding right there on the back part. All the lights work. Looks like on the back passenger you can see little ding right there. Little scratch. I want to say if I was to show kind of like the worst part of the paint, it would probably be right here where you can see that bubbling. We'll look in the window wells and windshield. I don't see any corrosion there. Usually it'll happen along the insides of the doors and along the windshield where water can collect, but I'm not seeing that anywhere here. And then of course the top looks good. There is a little piece missing right there, paint missing, but lights all look great. Chrome looks good. On the chrome right here, you'll see a little bit of corrosion there. Take a look at the wheels. And then this scratch right here. gonna take a look at the inside here and kind of check out the interior here. It's a 1966, so of course it's not going to be perfect. You'll see a couple of dings here and there. The one thing I will say is, so right here on the passenger, you'll see a rip there and a little spot right there in the vinyl there. Dash looks great. Does have an aftermarket radio. Carpet looks good. There's the inside of the door here. The polarized tint looks really nice. Nothing too dark. Looks really good. That back seat looks good. You'll see some aftermarket speakers in the back there. Took really good care of it, you can tell. Windshield looks good. Don't see any cracks, rock chips. Same with the back window there, looks great. You can see there's a couple wires that need to be tucked up underneath there. Looks a little bit more dramatic on the video, of course, but easy to tuck away and fix. All right, stick around for part 2. We're gonna do a quick startup and look underneath the hood. Thanks, guys.